Are you looking for some solid music to throw in the background of your stream and or YouTube video, and you don't want to deal with the hassle of copyright, and you want to make sure that your music is actually free for you to use for those purposes? If so, stay tuned. What is going on, guys? Chad here from How To Tech, the channel dedicated to helping you take your tech to the next level. And we've got something really awesome for you guys today. I've actually done some work and kind of partnered with a music producer. His name is Enoki, or you might know him as Chris. He actually has helped me edit some of the videos for this channel, and we've cut a deal essentially. So we're gonna be bringing free music for you guys to use in the backgrounds of your streams and or YouTube videos. And the awesome part is you don't have to deal with any of the copyright crap that you might deal with out there. I know there's tons of YouTube channels with quote free non-copyrighted music, and typically, not all of this is safe because, depending on where you get the music from, you don't know if the people have done their due diligence and research to make sure that the music is actually free for you to use. Well, we've kind of cut out that middleman of finding the music, and we're just creating the music for you guys. So we know you won't have to deal with that. With that being said, the use cases for this can be pretty much everything, except you can't reuse the music to make your own musical work. So with that being said, you can't use it to release your own rap album using his music in the background or something of that nature. But for the most part, if you're streaming or making YouTube videos, you can loop it in the background and use it and monetize all of your platforms, which is really, really awesome. So with that being said, there is a link in the description down below that will take you over to his channel, and you'll be able to download this music for free. It'll link directly to his video so you guys can get the music and cut out the middleman and all that crap. But go ahead and give him a like and subscribe to him while you guys are over there. Give him a big thanks and say thank you for providing this awesome music for us, where we don't have the fear of copyright raining down on us. With that being said, let's go ahead and take a listen to some of the music and see what you guys think. All right, so this is the part of the video where I show you guys how to implement this into your stream. So go ahead and download the songs or whatever song that you want to use in loop and have in the background of your stream. We're gonna use, I guess, Believe. I really like Believe. So we're gonna go ahead and put Believe in the background of our stream, which is super easy. So go ahead and save that to your computer somewhere, know where it's at so you can access it. And this process is going to be very similar for just regular OBS Studio, Streamlabs OBS, and Stream Elements. It's really easy to do. So what you'll do is add a new source, and the source that we want to add is a media source. And we'll name that media source, for me, I like naming it background music. And then you could put looped if you wanted to. If you wanted to play like a playlist in the background too, and you might want to name that something different, or if you just want to have a looped one going all the time, you can do that as well. So go ahead and click OK. And we're gonna check that this is a local file, and we also want to loop it. So we'll go ahead and check that, and then we'll go to Browse. And what we need to do now is go ahead and find our file. So mine's on the desktop, and we're gonna use Believe. Now I'm gonna go ahead and click on this, and I apologize if the audio starts cutting kind of weird because the music starts playing immediately, but I'll go ahead and double click that, and we will click OK. And if I'm correct, that should have started playing the music right away. So here's what's cool. Now you have the background music looped, and you can adjust the volume however you want, which is neat. unless it's too loud. So yeah, go ahead and adjust it to wherever you want, wherever it sounds reasonable for you. I can't hear this right now, so I don't know. So if that's something you want to adjust and hear without having to do recordings, there's a way you can actually monitor those sounds. And what you go to is the advanced audio preferences, and then you can turn the audio monitoring to monitor an output, and you can hear what it sounds like back through your headphones and through your computer. So go ahead and do that if you want to, do your microphone and stuff as well and everything, and then just kind of get a feel for what your audio sounds like, adjust it to whatever sounds good, and whenever the song gets to the very end, it's a seamless loop and people will, know no difference, and your music will just sound great and looped and be awesome for the background of your live streams or even YouTube videos. So alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that music as much as I did. I absolutely love some of the stream vibe music that he has come up with for this pack, and I hope you guys can find a way to utilize it in your stream or your YouTube videos as well. And you know what? Go ahead and hit the like button on this video, and if we see some good success from this and see that you guys want some more of these types of, packs and free stuff, then let us know, and this might be something that we might be able to bring you a V2 later in the future. So alright guys, that's going to be all for this video. If you enjoyed, you know what to do. Go ahead and destroy that like button and get subscribed to the channel if you haven't already. If you guys want to join our growing community on our Discord channel, be sure to check that out in the description. And if you want to support the channel financially, there's a link to our Patreon down there as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This has been Chad from How To Tech, helping you take your tech to the next level, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.